Hi everyone, I am Navya Grover, an undergraduate student studying Common Law LLB. Today I have my mom and we are gonna answer some questions through her point of view. So, should we start the video?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so the first question that we have is what do you think about Glasgow as a city and how is the vibe? Like, you are a tourist over here, so how do you find the weather, the vibe, the people, everything about Glasgow, just in general, the culture?
So I found Glasgow very interesting city. There are very warm and welcoming locals, and I have visited few pubs, found the music very beautiful and interesting. They have talented live music bands. No wonder it is acclaimed as UNESCO City of Music. And I think Glasgow has a lot to offer in terms of art, culture, architecture, and shopping, of course.
That's the main important
Oh
point
yeah,
for you.
I have visited like Central many a times. I really enjoyed the shopping spree there. Coming to weather, I am not as such accustomed to the weather here. I'm still having issues when I go out. It's really chilly. When I feel wind going into my ear and nose and everywhere. So weather, I won't say it is the best here. I miss India's weather more.
But it is something that you will get acquainted to really quick. Like the students would. I did.
Maybe because you are staying here for over a year here now.
Yes,
So definitely it would be nice for you. But for tourists who are here only for a week or so, it's tough. I can't say you. I'll enjoy this weather all through the year.
Okay, coming to next question. So, how secure do you feel sitting at home or with your daughter studying miles away? Like, do you think Glasgow is safe for your daughter? That is me, of course. So, what is your point of view on this?
Um, Before sending you to Glasgow, I had checked on the website and also read a lot about the security and safety. Being a mother, I had to make sure that you are safe in the place where I'm sending you for 4 years. Um, I have not found single issue here, but of course, you have to take the precautions, as in you have to move around in groups. You can't be, loitering around the dark streets. Um, as far as going out at night to clubs, I don't think there is any issue. You get Ubers very easily, and even I have like traveled in Ubers at night here. So, as such, I have not found any problem. It is a totally safe city. Besides saying this, of course, you have to take care of your own self. You can't just be out and out.
Yes, I think that's well said because, of course, this was my first time living away from you guys,
Right.
living away from my parents, and one has to take precautions and take care of themselves because at the end of the day, this is what we have come here for,
Of course.
to just depend on ourselves and just look out for ourselves.
True.
Yeah, and I think every city you go to, you need to take precautions. It's just not
Yes.
Glasgow. I would also recommend downloading the Safe Zone app, which is monitored 24 hours a day by the campus security to ensure that all the students are safe. Okay, next question. It's related to food. So, as a vegetarian, been about 5 days since you're here. So, did you find vegetarian options? Like, were they appealing to you? Did you find them tasty if you tried any? Like, what is your point of view on vegetarian food? If someone is vegetarian, what would you recommend them?
So, as a vegetarian, definitely there is a struggle to find vegetarian food around. But then it is not very tough as well. Vegan options are a lot, and if you have those taste buds, you can go for vegan. I preferably don't have a vegan, taste bud, but more or less I am surviving. Also, I've been cooking, so I'm managing well.
Coming to the next question about travel, how did you find the commute here? Was it easy for you? Since I think everyone knows, under 22-year-olds, we travel free by bus, so it's
Right.
really convenient for
Yes.
us. But as a tourist, how did you find the Glasgow transport system?
So I found the public transport network here is very favorable. It has greater range of modes as compared to other cities around Glasgow, and there is a very extensive heavy rail system along with the subway system, and also there is bus network which is fantastic. I have downloaded the map, which the bus network.
The first bus app.
Oh, I've downloaded that, and which is very convenient.
Coming to the cost of living, if the students could travel free by bus,
Yes.
it saves a lot of money. So that's the best thing that I like about studying in Scotland. Coming to the last question, why did you decide to send me to University of Glasgow and not any other university in the UK?
Right. So that is a very tough question, but not tougher than when we had to decide. We went through all the universities that those were providing law. So while going through the list, Glasgow had an upper rank than other universities in UK. Then secondly, it was providing the dual degree courses, and we thought that would be a better thing for her to choose from if she wanted to do law along with business or any other stream or subject she wanted to choose, so she could easily do that. So there was an option and a choice. Apart from all these things, commute was also a major point in deciding the University of Glasgow. There were direct flights from India to Glasgow, which was really a point we were looking for.
And here I am, I'm in my second year, and I think we have been more than happy now.
Yes, I'm really happy
Yeah.
sending her to, yes. As a city, as a place, culture, architecture, art, music, I think Glasgow is ahead of many here. Yeah. I am very happy sending Navya to Glasgow to study law. I think she has grown as a student, as a person, living alone. I am satisfied.
And I think on that note, we should end this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.